So, in this very first meeting, you are going to learn about the concept of paragraph and one of the most important parts in paragraph called topic sentence. But before that, let me show you first the learning objectives of our meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, how are you? It is great to see you on this channel, Kuliah Teknokrat. I'm Dyah Aminatun, who will be your lecturer for paragraph writing. This subject can be a chance for you to build and develop your writing skill, especially in writing a paragraph. Therefore, it is better for you to know first what paragraph is and what parts must be fulfilled in writing a paragraph. So, in this very first meeting, you are going to learn about the concept of paragraph and one of the most important parts in paragraph called topic sentence. But before that, let me show you first the learning objectives of our meeting. So there are several objectives that you need to accomplish in this meeting. The first, students are expected to be able to define the meaning of the paragraph and also topic sentence. And then the second one, students are expected to be able to mention the parts of paragraph. And the last one, students are expected to be able to identify the characteristics of a good paragraph and also a good topic sentence. Now, let's move to the first part of this meeting, the definitions of a paragraph. Maybe the term of a paragraph is really familiar for you, that you have already ever heard since you were in senior high school or even in junior high school. So here, I'd like to remind you again about this one of the most important parts of the text. So, what is actually a paragraph? A paragraph is a group of sentences that convey an idea. Each sentence in a paragraph works together as part of a unit to create an overall thought or impressions. So it will create an overall thought or impressions. A paragraph is the smallest unit or clusters of sentences in which one idea can be developed adequately. Paragraphs can stand alone or function as a part of an essay, but each paragraph covers only one main idea. Okay, from the definition that I've already mentioned just now you can draw conclusions about a paragraph. So, a paragraph is a group of sentences. It means that if you are writing a sentence which is, for example, 4 or 5 lines long, but if it only consists of one sentence, it cannot be categorized as a paragraph because, once again, paragraph is a group of sentences. Besides that, your paragraph needs to convey an idea and create a thought or impressions. It means there is something or important points that you need to deliver that is coming from your thought. And through this paragraph, you are going to impress or to attract your readers to read your paragraph or even your entire text. Now, we know that before writing a paragraph, it is important for us to have or to set up an intention first. It is also stated previously that a paragraph can stand alone or function as a part of an essay, but each paragraph covers only one main idea. Remember, only one main idea. It shows that the focus of each paragraph in your text may only discuss one important thing which is developed from several related sentences. The discussion about it later will be called as a unity of a paragraph. And the explanation of this part can be watched in another video on this channel. Okay, when we are talking about a paragraph, there is the most important part that needs to be fulfilled in order to make your paragraph good. And it is called as a topic sentence. A topic sentence must clearly state the subject of the whole of your paragraph. The topic sentence consists only one sentence and it is the main idea of your paragraph. Okay, to make you easier about topic sentence, so the topic sentence is actually or commonly the first sentence of the paragraph because it gives an overview of the sentences to follow. What does it mean? It means when your readers read the first sentence of your paragraph, your readers can directly imagine what this paragraph is about or where this paragraph will bring them to. Besides topic sentence, there are also other parts of a paragraph that are also important to support the development of a paragraph. The first is called as supporting sentences. Why is it called as supporting sentences, not supporting sentence? Yes, simply because it consists of several sentences. It is different from topic sentence, which only consists of one sentence. Supporting sentences consist of several sentences. Supporting sentences are placed after the topic sentence, and they help to develop the main idea. Remember, your topic sentence is the main idea of your paragraph. Supporting sentences give specific details related to the topic sentence. Therefore, in some other resources, supporting sentences are also called as supporting details. So, supporting sentences are supporting details. It is needed to build your paragraph in ordered way so the readers will not get confused and get the main point of your paragraph. And a final or concluding paragraph is a sentence that often restates or summarizes the main idea of the topic sentence. Okay, so after topic sentence, the next one is supporting sentences. The last one is concluding sentences. This is the final part of your paragraph. A concluding sentence often restates or summarizes the main idea of the topic sentence that has been stated in the beginning. In a text which consists of many paragraphs, a concluding sentence may not be the restatement of the main idea, but it can be a sentence that bridges the paragraph to the next paragraph. Now, let's take a look at the example of the model of a paragraph with topic sentence, supporting details, and also concluding sentence. Okay, let me read it for you. My first day of college was a disaster. First, I went to the wrong classroom for math. I was sitting in the class, surrounded by people taking notes and paying attention to how to do equations, which would have been okay if I was supposed to be in an algebra class. In reality, I was supposed to be in geometry, and when I discovered my error, I had already missed the first 20 minutes in an hour class. When I got to the correct class, all 25 students turned and looked at me as the teacher said, "You're late." That would have been bad enough, but in the next class, my history teacher spoke so fast I couldn't follow most of what he said. The only thing I did hear was that we were having a quiz tomorrow over to this lecture. My day seemed to be going better during botany class, that is, until we visited the lab. I had a sneezing fit because of one of the plants in the lab and had to leave the room. When I finally finished my class for the day, I discovered I had locked my keys in the car and had to wait for my brother to bring another set. My first day of school was so bad that I know the rest will have to be better. So from the example that I've read just now, and as you can see on the screen, the title of the paragraph is My First Day. The title indicates what the paragraph is about. But yes, it is still too broad and also too general. Then, this paragraph consists of several sentences or a group of sentences which relates each other and talking about one idea. So commonly, the length of a paragraph is a minimum 5 sentences long, but it can also be more. And then after that, there are 3 parts of the paragraphs that I've already marked with different colors. The first one is the topic sentence in red colors. So the topic sentence is, my first day of college was a disaster. This is one sentence placed in the beginning of the paragraph and has a role as the main idea of the paragraph. It shows the overview and the main point of the paragraph, that is the writer's proof of his bad first day of school. Next one, after topic sentence, there are also supporting sentences which are in green colors. The supporting sentences starting from the second sentence. So the sentence first, I went to the wrong class for math, until the second sentence from the last. When I finally finished my classes for the day, blah, 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 until another set. Now, these supporting sentences provide details and specific examples as proof of your point, the writer's point, in this paragraph. So it shows the example of many troubles faced by the writer in his or her first day of schools or of college. And the last one, or the last part of the paragraph, it is concluding sentence as the last sentence in the blue color. My first day of school was so bad that I know the rest will have to be better. So the concluding sentence wraps up and also summarizes the point of the paragraph. And sometimes you can also add moral value from the story that you have already stated, and then to be placed in your concluding paragraph. Concluding sentence. Okay, so that's the example of a paragraph consisting of a topic sentence and then supporting sentences or supporting details and concluding sentence. I hope it is getting clear about those parts of paragraphs. Okay, well, before I end the session today, let me give you the main points of today's meeting. So a paragraph is a group of sentences that convey an idea. It only consists of one main idea. A good paragraph has a topic sentence stating the main point of the paragraph, and then it has supporting sentences with details and also specific examples as proof of your points. And it also it is logical, coherent thoughts, and that are developed in order from one sentences to the next sentences, and it has the concluding sentence that wraps up and also summarizes the point of the paragraph. While talking about the topic sentence, a good topic sentence is informing the readers of the subjects that will be discussed in the paragraph, and it also asserts the writer's point of view or attitude, and it intrigues the readers to continue reading the whole paragraph. It creates a sense of actions, and it is not vague, rambling, or too narrow or too broad. That's the characteristics of a good topic sentence. So that's all for our meeting today. I hope you enjoy watching this video and also get new insights about paragraph writing, about paragraph, topic sentence, spotting details or spotting sentences, and concluding sentence. On the next meeting, we're going to discuss about other components in a good paragraph. Well, thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one in other video. And also, thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Terima kasih sudah menyaksikan video pembelajaran ini. Jangan lupa like, komen dan subscribe, serta nyalakan tanda loncengnya agar kalian tidak ketinggalan informasi update lainnya.